Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is nnshapumba, aka Nee the Hustler. So, guys, if you're new here, please do consider subscribing and also click on the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And to everyone watching my ads, thank you so much. Hopefully soon we'll do a video regarding how much I made on YouTube. So in today's video, I will be taking you guys with me to my son's clinic appointment. I am late. I woke up very late. But however, I really wanted to vlog this day. So I thought I was going to wake up at 4:30 and then leave home at least at 5:30 because I'm going to the clinic and it gets so full there. So I woke up at 10:05 instead. But anyway, I still think we're still good. So yeah, guys, I've already taken a bath. I just need to dress up and go. I'm really hoping that it's not full at the clinic because it's December and a lot of people have gone on vacations. They've gone visiting. So I'm hoping it's not that full today. Keeping my fingers crossed. Hi guys, so we are here now. It looks empty, so I don't know what's happening. I'm just communicating with my sister. What's in it? So guys, remember I said it looked empty? Well, it turns out people were sitting at the shelter. So there's a shelter at the back, and yeah, I was excited. I thought I was gonna go back home early. So right now we are waiting to submit my son's file. I don't know what they call it. Is it a file? Angazi, but it's not as empty as I thought. Basically, that's what I'm saying. And yeah, it's not as empty as I thought it is. So I'm just waiting to submit my son's file. We are actually number 37. Yeah, we're number 37 and we're gonna wait. But the best thing about the clinic is that the nurses, well, in this clinic, the White River clinic, is that I don't know, I think it's in all the clinics, I'm not sure, but I'm going to speak about this one. There's nurses that deal with children, there's nurses that deal with people that are sick and so forth. So I'm kind of nervous because my son is going to get his injection for 6 months. He's 6 months now, and I'm just so nervous. I always get nervous every time he goes for his vaccine. I just get so nervous, guys. And he does cry. Sometimes he cries after the injection. Sometimes he cries immediately. So I'm so scared for him. And I have people who ask me why I don't show my son's face, why I don't tell people my son's name. People do ask what my son's name is and why I don't show his face, why I don't film him. Sorry, there's a car passing, so there's a bit of noise. My son, I'm so sensitive when it comes to my son. I'm extremely sensitive when it comes to my son because of everything that I went through to get my son into this world. I had 2 miscarriages. So basically with my son, it was my 3rd pregnancy. So 2 miscarriages is too much. Even 1 for me is a lot. So I'm just trying to have this moment to myself and to those that are close to me. At first I thought it was very rude for people to ask me why I don't post my son, or why I don't tell people what my son's name is. And I understand now. I understand. Before that I used to be so offended, but now I'm like, you know what, I've chosen to put my life out there. If you're a YouTuber, you've chosen to put your life out there, and people have every right to ask you questions, you know, and it's up to you how you answer. So I just wanted to say that. And people from my Instagram, if you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. My followers from Instagram, well, some of them have asked me when am I going to share my labor story. Guys, I am freaked out. I am very traumatized. You know, I know some people give birth and then they go back to their normal life like nothing happened. Well, for me it was very traumatizing. So I thought, let me just heal first before I start talking about it, because I don't want to cry when I talk about it. You know, when I talk about something and I start crying, it's because I haven't healed from it. So I just want to heal before I speak about it. But I'm definitely going to film that. And I just feel like I've been a mom for 6 months now. I feel like I'm so much better now. I'm at a better place, and yeah, I think I can talk about it now. So overall, it's just, you know, me being sensitive, you know, over my son. You know, I've got people saying that, you know, some mothers are like, you know, they basically just gave birth and went back to business. It's different for everyone. People are different. Some people take time before they get back to their normal lives. Some people are quick to get back to their normal life. People are not the same. People are different. So basically with me, when I'm ready, I am going to be able to share everything with you guys. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know and just let that out of the way, because people are like, postpartum depression is for white people. Black people go through that and we can't talk about it because you feel like they make you feel like you're complaining, you know, like you're complaining about it. But this is something that people go through. This is something that's real. I don't even know if I pronounced the word not right, but it's postpartum depression. This a depression that new moms go through. You can have more than one child and you can still get it. So yeah guys, basically that's what I wanted to say in this vlog. Hopefully when I'm comfortable to share my child or to tell you guys what his name is, I will do that. But for now, I just want to have this moment to myself. So yeah, anyways, back to what we are doing here. We are still waiting. I saw that they took my baby's, I don't know if I should call it a card or a file. So my baby's with my sister and my husband, so I just came here to update because it's packed there. And you know how it is when you're vlogging in public, and you know how it gets when you're vlogging in public and people are like, you know what I'm saying. So I thought, let me just come here and vlog and talk to you guys and just keep you guys posted on what's happening. So the reason why I brought my sister along is that I want her and my husband to take the baby if my husband is also nervous. My husband always comes with me for our baby's vaccination. But yeah, guys, I'm just so sensitive when it comes to my son shaming. Yeah. Oh. So we're done now. Hey, so guys, we're done. My son actually took it like a champ. I'm so excited. He didn't cry actually. He didn't cry. I was so nervous. But yeah, cause yes guys, so my son didn't cry. I was nervous. I wanted to go out, but then the nurse was like, no, stay in. So I stayed. My sister's looking at me. You need to be yourself on YouTube. You don't have to pretend to be somebody that you're not. If you're bubbly, you must be bubbly, you know. So yeah, I'm happy my son got vaccinated. I'm now going to the post office. Oh, my battery is flat, guys. I need to buy, what do they call that thing, Kukenda? Power bank. Ooh, adapt. So this is the food that I had for the day. It's some chips, some amaguinya, fit cake, and then a Russian. I love potatoes, guys. I love fried potatoes. You cannot put a price on friendship, so they say, but if you can buy me this biltong over here, this is my favorite snack in the whole wide world. So if you're not from South Africa, this is called biltong. It is so delicious. I don't have a sweet tooth, so this is the perfect snack for me. I love this. You should try it out. Hey guys, so this is the end of my vlog. This is one of my favorite snack. It's called biltong. It's basically just dry meat. Yeah, that's been spiced up, so it's my favorite. If you know me, you know. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog or next video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.